What's up? For today's video, we're going to Debrecen and we're going to Debrecen, yes. The Debrecen is the largest city in the world. That's why I like it. So see you guys. I will update you when we go there and you go there too, huh? Thank you. Bye-bye. Oh guys, di namin alam kung train ba to talaga o sadyang truck lang ng basura. Pero sa pagkaalam ko, alam nyo rin ang naiisip ng mga tao na nakapalagay sa mga sinaing ng nanay nyo. Diba?
Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha!
This is the train from nowhere. And that train is where not is, yes. 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 That train. Guys, we're here in the train station. As you see now, this is the 2014 model of Cariton. So this is so historical. It built in 2014 with Alexa S-Bahn, yes, and that is the history of Hungary. You know that? Yes. So we're here now at the train station, and then we're going there, you know, there, and the train is going over there. That's why I'm here to celebrate the birthday of my best friend, yes, because I don't have money.
Ma'am, galing mo pala dyan ah. Hindi ko alam ah.
Oh, exactly 11:50 po. Ano yung labi ko? Dumating ang train namin. So this train is from New Gilsey to Debrecen. So ang Debrecen po ay 1 hour away from our accommodation. Yes. And we'll open the sesame.
Hi.
Charot. So we're here na sa train station and we don't know how to get there, but we get there to anything else. Yes. Conductor, and me is the conductor.
Aliw ka yata eh.
We're here now sa Debrecen.
Busog na naman yung mata ko dito, panuguraan. Busog na naman yung mata ko. Oh, eto.
Iba na naman, hindi na.
Akala nyo. This is the outside of the train station.
Debrecen.
I'm here in outside Debrecen.
Debrecen. So we're here in Debrecen. As you can see, this building here is established in 1999.
Ano nila dito?
So pagkakataong ito, punta muna kami sa mall dahil sobrang lamig talaga. Uy!
Merong turn kami yun.
Nalaglag yung punyeta. Yan po. Makikita nyo yung building na yan. Hindi ko po alam yung pangalan yan.
Simon Border. Ang daming ano dun.
So guys, what's up? Here, it's your boy, Palapoy. So as you can see, we're here at the Debrecen. And do you see that?
See that?
The tank is made from marbles. You know marbles? The Jolen?
This is the municipal of Hungary. Paano masabi?
Tinatanong ko nga eh, nagdodroga ka ba?
Ina-practice niya ako para masigurado.
What's up sa inyo guys? Nag-bonnet na ako kasi sobrang lamig talaga dito. Ang lamig pag wala ako. Ang sakit mo. So, tinan mo yung structure ng McDo dito. Oh, McDo. Yes. McDo. Yan ang McDo dito.
Wala silang Jubilee dito.
Malupit, di ba? Sobrang lupit. Hindi ako makapagsalita ng ayos at sobrang lamig talaga. Yes, malamig siya. Opo. Dito na kami ngayon guys. Ito na ang mall. Wow, di ba? Lucky. The mall. The mall? The mall. Hello guys, nakalabas na kami sa ABC. Ay sa ABC, sa forum.
So weird.
Sa forum na nakalabas kami sa forum. Ngayon pupunta kami sa Nagyerde Park kasi we want to look the Nagyerde Park in this winter season because the winter is the season of the holiday. Yes. So yun guys. Titingnan natin kung anong meron dito sa Nagyerde Park. Kahit nakapunta na ako, titingnan pa rin natin siya. So by the request of our birthday girls, hey, great girls. Yes, this one is to be my super best friend and I need him tonight.
Uy, ala. Ayun na,
Oh. Oh, so wag na. Tangina, mamamatay tayo dyan eh. So